viewers, here I will explain you how to manage timetable of your institution. For that you can go under a timetable module or you can directly access it through your dashboard. It will provide two options, instructor timetable and batch timetable. First take a look on instructor timetable. Select the instructor whom timetable you want to show. I am selecting an instructor as Himanshu Rastogi. As you select the timetable, a detailed description of timetable is shown. For example, Class 6 Section B 7 to 8 is Science taught by Himanshu Rastogi. It is a personal timetable for particular teacher. In order to edit or delete the timetable, just click on Edit or Delete button. For example, I am deleting this record. A message in the right corner displayed timetable has been deleted successfully, and you notice that there is no field for that. Similarly, if you want to edit the particular timetable entry of particular teacher, just click on Edit button. It will provide an editable window. Now let's edit a record. I am changing the timetable of Himanshu Rastogi from Tuesday to Monday. After inserting the correct information, click on Edit Record. Now you notice that the Himanshu Rastogi now has one extra class on Monday in class 11C, section C, as I inserted recently. So in this way, a particular instructor can manage their instructor timetable. Similarly, if you want to add a new timetable, just click on Add New button, select a batch, instructor name and subject. For example, I am selecting a dummy data, batch 1 for class 1 section A. Select an instructor. There are 3 teachers teaching in class 1 section A. So I am inserting. Now Anand Patwal teaches English in class 1 section A. So selecting English. Now select a day, Monday. Select the starting time. Select the ending time. Now after inserting all information, click on Add New Routine. Now this is the entire timetable for Anand Patwal, and your recently added information is Monday, class 1 section C, English 8 o'clock to 8:20 is inserted successfully. Similarly, if you want to show only the batch information, or you can say batch timetable, click on the batch timetable. Now select a batch. I am selecting a batch class 1 section A or whatever you want. As you select a batch, a timetable for that batch is displayed. In this manner, you can manage your instructor timetable and view the batch-wise timetable as well.